Hey, what's up, everybody? Rapattack here, and today we got a really good merch review. No streamer review for this video because I have a lot of merch to go over. It is the 100 Thieves Foundations merch. I just got it in the mail today, so I was like, I need to do a video as soon as possible. All right, here is the package right here, right? I just got the package today, so it's time to go through each single item that I received. Very excited about this drop for 100 Thieves. I honestly believe it's the right move because I've never been able to get any of their merch because every drop they have, as soon as I click on it or I forget or I'm at work, etc., I can't get it. It's sold out, right? Hoodies, all that good stuff. So let's take a look at what I got. I obviously couldn't buy everything, right? But I did get a decent amount of items. So let's see one by one. Oh, I got the red nylon shorts. I also got my favorite color of this drop is obviously the green, right? Like the forest green. I got the Crewneck. I also got the forest green fleece shorts, right? The cotton, there's nylon, there's cotton, like the fleece, right? I also got the forest green. As you can tell, forest green was my favorite. The forest green hat, right? The cap. I always got to get a hat. And I got two pairs, right, of the forest green. Again, forest green, obviously the theme of what I got, of the socks and the red socks. So red and green is pretty much all that I got. I didn't go with white because I already have a lot of white. I have a lot of white items, and the green was my favorite. For this drop, I really liked the way the green looked. So obviously that's what I got most of. I won't ever pair it up all green. I don't think I'll be all green decked out. But let's go with each one. Let's open the Crewneck first. All right. If you notice, the packaging is in their classic 100 Thieves. Always, it's a clear always package. When I got the jersey, it was a clear package. Just 100thieves.com, at 100 Thieves. And of course, they are in Los Angeles, California. As you can see also here, we have the 100 Thieves logo at the bottom. And then on the back, it tells you your item, you know, the style number, right? ITCO. When I used to work for Abercrombie and Fitch and American Apparel, you know, this is the thing that, you know, helps identify when you're searching like in the back room and things like that of what type of style, right? So each one has one. I can't figure it out. Maybe full crew, FC, something like that, CC, cotton, and then the color. The color must be like a 152, probably is the color of the numbers, right? In the color wheel. All right, so let's open this back up. All right, I got size medium again. I'm about 6'1" right now, sitting at a solid 175. I haven't been weightlifting. I'm having shoulder surgery actually in a couple weeks, so I'm not going to be able to bulk up or put back any weight for a long time. First look at this is, ooh, very nice. The stitching's like 3D, so it's not flat, right? You could actually feel, you could feel the embroidery, right? You could feel the stitching, right? Let's see, we have 100 Thieves, really thick, actually very well done. This Crewneck, let me see, for me, I like my Crewnecks. I like the thickness and the softness on the inside. I really like a soft Crewneck. Oh, the sweater actually is very, very soft on the inside. It feels very heavy, which is good. I prefer a heavier one. Sometimes I like a lighter one depending on the weather, but when it's cold, I really prefer a heavy Crewneck. Obviously, nothing on the back, no logo. It's very straightforward. The collar, one thing I like about the 100 Thieves collar, as you can see, they always have now lately, and what's in right now, actually what I'm wearing right now, why I'm kind of wearing a higher one, right? A mock turtleneck. This one's though a really, really thick high collar, right? So I think that's really good. The stitching you could see on the sleeves, very nice stitching here. Very thick. I think that's the thing about it. The thing that I'm kind of disappointed in for myself is that I want to see if this line, the foundations line, is the one that you can always buy. I'm kind of curious to see if they're going to go with cheaper material, just a little less because of the quantity, versus those drops. They know the other ones were just a limited amount, so they can go like high-end quality, etc. So I wonder if they kind of lower the quality, but I never have any of the other drops, so I can't compare it. Unfortunate. So that's the Crewneck. Right, this one I'm definitely going to be rocking a lot. Not in the summer though. Summer's way too hot, but maybe when I'm gaming, right? Next up, let's go over the shorts. Let's go over the fleece short first, right? Again, see the style number. If you see right here, we have 1TCO 121 FC202. So I'm trying to figure out what the style number is. I'll eventually figure them out once I compare them. Again, it shows it 100 Thieves, same type of bag, same concept. And the back it says warning to avoid danger, honor among thieves. Honor among thieves. That's pretty cool. All right, let's open this bad boy up. All right, let's put that there. Oh, these are very thick, very good quality underneath. To compare to, I have like H&M ones, not as good. Definitely these definitely are a lot stronger material. I kind of like this detail. I didn't expect this. I did not know it had this red. You know what's really good about this? When you work out at the gym, you could put a towel through it. So this is usually what you do. You put a towel through it. Sometimes some people use it to hang something, but majority of the time when you're working out at the gym, put a towel on the back or something like that, clip on something. It's for, I guess, an everyday short. So actually that's really convenient. All right, we got our pockets here, drawstring. Let's see, do they have anything? Oh, they do have. Ooh, you can't see it. Let me see if I could pull this up to the camera. Ooh, it's very hard to see. They actually have 100 Thieves written on these. I had a feeling. That's a really nice detail. The little tag right here also says 100 Thieves, and even the zippers have 100 Thieves on the zipper, right? So a lot of little details, but it doesn't pop out all crazy. I do not like material. I do not like merch that has too much print. I'm more easygoing. Let's see, pockets are zip, not super deep pockets, pretty shallow, right? But good enough. The zipper to, so that way when you're working out or whatever, you don't have, or running, don't drop your keys. And of course it has the 100 Thieves in white here. I think I found my new favorite shorts, not gonna lie. Next up, oh wait, the red shorts now. Now these are the nylon shorts. These are the one I was kind of curious about because I was more into the cotton, as you can see. This is what I would compare it to. Let's see. Nylon, as you can see, it kind of has that windbreaker type of feel to it, kind of ish. All right, we have 100 Thieves in white. Let's check the back. The back has one single pocket zipper. Again, it has 100 Thieves logo on the zipper, right? The inside, 100 Thieves. I got medium, right? The inside, very, very thin. So this is more of a summer. This is something you wear out in the summer. I feel like you could go swimming in these as well. Let's take a look at anything is machine wash, inside out in cold water with light colors. Do not use bleach, tumble dry on low. So you could definitely swim in these, right? Nylon shorts work out. This is kind of like your everyday short when it's hot outside. That's what I would wear it for. Okay, I would wear these for that. Zipper pockets, that's very clutch. I love zipper pockets because it ensures, like, I don't know, I always worry that something's gonna fall out or so. When you sit a certain way, stuff just falls out. So that's very nice. Again, it has 100 Thieves on these. So I think these will be something I wear like to the beach or when I'm going to Pacific Beach or anything like that. I think that's something that I would wear for like everyday type activities. All right. And now let me see the hat. The hat seems kind of interesting, right? I do like that it is snapback, right? So it can fit everything. We have the mesh, kind of like that as well. I think that's an interesting touch. My favorite type of hats are dad hats. Not a dad hat. Kind of has a similar style though to it, right? Front has 100 Thieves in white. And let's take a look. Pretty much nothing to it. Pretty standard hat. Nothing crazy about it. The front kind of feels windbreakery. It's not cotton. All right, it's not like a cotton dad hat. It's more like, again, this is more for like a summer. And then you have that air to air out. So pretty good hat. I'll probably wear it when I'm going out. I'll probably pair this when I'm wearing like with a white shirt or something like that. I'm not going to ever go like crazy green on green. And the last things we're going to check out here are the socks. All right. Now for me, one thing I've never done videos on is my socks. I'm kind of a sock guy with the whole stance socks. So I kind of was interested to see the quality of these because my favorite type of socks to have are stance, right? I have a lot of stance socks. So let's take a look. We have this type of packaging. The bag, man, it's 60% cotton, 27% nylon, polyester, and 2% spandex. And that's cool. And obviously most socks have a little bit of spandex on it. That's why it stretches to your foot. Let's open one up. Let's take a look. Let's do the red one. I'm not gonna open both of them. Let's go with the red. Ooh, very nice. These feel not as thick as Stan socks. I would want to say if you guys have ever had, they're thicker than Under Armour. They don't feel like Under Armour or Nike. They're like in between. Not as thick as Stan socks. Like the crew, they're kind of like crew socks. I would say like H&M crew socks, but thicker, so better quality, right? We have the 100 Thieves print on the bottom, and we have a 100 right here, right? And the other sock says Thieves. So if you look together, we have 100 Thieves, and both of them have the logo on the bottom, same logo on the bottom. And obviously the forest green has the same type of style, but it's obviously the forest green type of color. All right. So I'm super excited for 100 Thieves and their merch. That's all the merch that I got. Obviously they have other colors available. Those are the ones that I chose. I'm very excited for 100 Thieves. The only review I would say for it is, I would say that 100 Thieves, the reason the org is doing so well, if I want to review the org in general, is I feel like they have a very good balance between their esports, their merch, right, and content creation. They kind of cover all bases, right? They focus on 3 things, and I think that's smart, because if one thing is struggling, you have the other things to kind of back it up and stay relevant. Versus if you're a team, if you're an org, you're just like focused all on esports, and your esports team isn't doing well, how do you stay relevant in that type of game? It just doesn't make sense. Versus in this, they do have really good esports teams that are moving on up. They're a fairly new organization, right? They also have their merch. They have now consistent merch that is all the time, which is really good material, right? And they have a lot of content creation where they have YouTube videos. Like, for example, I just watched the YouTube video today of them doing charades on movies, right? And they had like JHB team, Brooke AB, who else did they have? The Leslie, right? The new member. They had Nate Shot. They had all of that. So I think that's what's strong about 100 Thieves, and that's why they're probably my favorite organization as of yet. And if I were to join one, that's the one I would want to join, because that they have so much things that you can be a part of. Versus others, it's like, well, if I'm not good at a video game, what am I going to do, right? So I really enjoy that. I'm really excited about their Gucci drop. I want to see the price on that first, but I'm really excited to use that. So thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.